Hi everyone, today I'm filming my first cooking video. I've done like little cooking videos before, like with Justin, but this one's going to be hopefully all me. I might need a little bit of assistance because I am going to be using the Instapot and I have not used the Instapot before. But we have this book, Instapot Miracle 6 Ingredients or Less, and I love the idea of like cooking something delicious with only like a few ingredients. So I picked out this morning this recipe and I asked you guys on my Instagram which one you guys wanted to see, because I was torn between a tomato soup or a lemon tortellini recipe. The tomato soup was gonna be really good because I was gonna do a grilled cheese sandwich with that, but you guys were more interested in the lemon tortellini, and Justin was also more interested in the lemon tortellini. So we're going to do this one tonight, and I just wanted to show you guys the little grocery haul that I got because I mainly got everything for what we need to make today. So I got 2 bags of 3 cheese tortellini, and they said that you needed like dried tortellini. So that's what I got. I got 2 bags of them because I think I'm gonna use a bag and a half. I think what the recipe says you need 2 pounds of tortellini. So I got 2 bags of this. We're gonna have leftovers, but like not a big deal. Someone will eat them. The recipe called for peas, like frozen peas, but that just doesn't sound like super appetizing to me. Then they have like alternatives. They had an asparagus tip alternative, which is what we ended up going with, but you could also make the recipe with shrimp and artichoke hearts is what they were saying. I think the asparagus will be yummy though. And then, did I get anything else for what we needed tonight? I think basically everything else we already had, which was like lemon and garlic and Parmesan cheese. So everything else for that we already had. Oh, and so I don't know why Publix does this, but they don't have like regular heavy cream. They just have heavy whipping cream. The heavy cream is nowhere to be found. So yeah, I picked up some heavy whipping cream. Also, don't know if I said this already, but I did go through Instacart for my order. I'm going to leave like a referral link down below, which anyone has, like anyone can share their referral link. But if you use it, we both get $10, which would be really cool. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it down below in case you want to sign up. We've been really loving Instacart. We recently just signed up for the year subscription of it, I guess, or like membership of it. So yeah, we're definitely like using it weekly, if not multiple times a week. Like sometimes we'll just place an order like around dinner time and then it'll be here like in an hour or 2. But I also got some butter. We just needed butter in the house, so I picked up some butter. I also got batteries. I just needed like a few batteries for something. Sam really wanted this chocolate caramel creamer for his coffee. So that's what we got from Publix. But yeah, right now it's just like 1:30, so I'm probably going to hang out for a little bit, sort out my groceries, clean up a little bit, and then I'll be back a little bit later. So I'm back and I'm ready to start cooking. So I have the recipe right in front of me. It says to combine the tortellini, broth, garlic, olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a few grinds of pepper in the pot. So the recipe says that you need 2 medium-sized pieces of garlic. So I feel like these are good, like medium-sized pieces, and then I have like a little tiny piece. I'm gonna do those. Okay, this is a little knife, but... And I've never ever in my life cut garlic before, so don't come for me if I'm not doing it right. Please just tell me. But I'm hoping to do like sort of more dinners and stuff. I just kind of want to be able to cook nice things that taste good. So yeah. Hopefully this is delicious. I love lemon flavored things. They are my absolute favorite. And yeah, I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and chop this all up. Are those little green pieces fine? Is that normal? I have no idea. pretty sure this is what Justin does when he's chopping up garlic, so. I also have some asparagus, and instead of doing peas like the recipe says, I decided to do asparagus tips because I just felt like peas were like a little bit boring. Asparagus might make it a little bit more, I don't know, tasty, flavorful, whatever. So I guess I just snip off the tips of these. I'm not entirely sure, but that's just what I'm gonna do. Hopefully I don't ruin it. How far down do I need to do it? All right, that looks good. I also feel like the asparagus tips might be a little prettier. And let me snip those. I got almost a pound and I feel like I should have gotten more. I don't know. But I was kind of upset about like wasting this much, but we have a compost, so it's not horrible, but this is a lot of waste. But I'll put it in the compost bin. Let me rinse these off. So I have this 3 cheese tortellini. The Instapot book actually recommended this brand, so I'm going to use this. But I need 1 pound of tortellini, and unfortunately, this is a 12-ounce bag. So, oh my gosh, these tortellinis are so tiny. Are they gonna get bigger? So, hopefully they get bigger. So I'm gonna add these, and so if that's 12 ounces of tortellini, I'll need 4 more ounces. So maybe like this many more. That feels right. So hopefully that's all good. And then it calls for 3 cups of chicken broth. One, 2, 3, 2 teaspoons of olive oil. I'm like kind of surprised it only is calling for 2 teaspoons. Oh, this is half a teaspoon. Okay, so I guess I'll do 4 of these. I don't, oh, 1, 2, maybe I should just do 3. That's fine. A little bit of extra olive oil never ever hurt anybody. Okay, and I add the garlic in now. So I'm gonna add my chopped garlic. Trying to get out my asparagus. I don't feel like measuring out my salt, so I'm just going to, that seems fine. And then a few things of some pepper. So that's what it's looking like right now before I'm gonna put it in the thing. Then it says later, I'm gonna add the asparagus, not the peas, cream, and lemon zest, tortellini, broth, garlic, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Okay, I got that all in. Should be ready to go. Now I just have to figure out how to work this Instapot. So yeah, I'm gonna put her in, putting the okay, so I've closed it. And then, okay, wait, it's off. So the directions say I need to pressure cook, adjust to high pressure for 10 minutes, and make sure the steam valve is sealing. So I need to read up on this one because I really don't know what that means. Oh, okay. So it needs to look, my thing needs to look like that. So I need the pressure cook. Okay, 10 minutes. Okay, I think that's it. I'm gonna go ask Justin. I'm gonna go take a picture of it and ask him if that's what it's supposed to look like. It's also 6:18 right now, so if it wasn't a timer, I'll just come back at 6:28. Is that on? Like, is it cooking now? Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh my gosh, I think it's gonna work. Okay, it sounds like it's doing something, which is good. So I'm going to go ahead and get my other ingredients ready. So the recipe calls for 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. I hate that I can't just go to a store and just be like, hey, I need 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream, and they can just give it to me so I don't have to have this in my fridge doing literally nothing. This is like just like a 1/2 cup of whipping cream left. That's good. I'm gonna add the asparagus tips after, and then I'm kind of surprised and a little offended that this recipe didn't call for like any actual squeezed lemon, because I love lemon. Okay, so now it's releasing some steam, but I think that's normal. Okay, so 10 minutes has passed, and I think everything is all good. So I have to, the directions say to let it naturally settle, I guess, for 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna leave it. And then after 10 minutes, I set my little watch timer. After 10 minutes, I have to release, quick release the remaining pressure. And then I guess I'll open it and I'll add the asparagus, the cream, and the lemon. And then it says to saute, adjust to normal medium heat, and cook for 2 minutes. Wow, quick. And then we add cheese and then gently combine. Okay, so I have to do a quick release. I heard that I have, oh God, that scared the shit out of me. So I heard I have to pull it. Oh my gosh, I'm terrified. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Oh, is this freaking normal? Oh my gosh, is that really hot? Okay, so I suppose that's just like getting out the pressure. Oh my gosh, that was so scary. Okay. So it's dying down now. Okay, does it know what I'm freaking cooking? Because I have to also saute it for 2 minutes. Does it know what I'm cooking? Is it like a smart Instapot? What's going on? Oh God, the top is really hot. Okay, so those are what my tortellini is looking like. It looks pretty good. It did not get any bigger though. The tortellini in that picture looked huge, so it did not get any bigger. It smells good. So I'm gonna put the asparagus in there now. Really, there's like not a lot of asparagus. That is really funny, but it's fine. I'm adding all of this lemon zest. I'm hoping it's super duper lemony. And then I'm adding the heavy cream. This smells so delicious, you guys. Oh my God, okay, I'm having a difficult time with this. Okay, it's all good. Now I'm going to press the saute button. And it says that we only saute it for 2 minutes. So freaking quick. Okay, cool. Oh my gosh, I'm doing it. Okay. That looks good, you guys. So that's what it looks like after I did the sauteing part, and just kind of bubbling now. I hope that asparagus is cooked.
Do you want to cover it back up again? Or does it say to leave it open?
I don't know. It says to cook and stir occasionally until the sauce thickens slightly.
Cool if I try one of these?
Yeah. There's not many of them.
They're cooked.
They are?
Mm-hmm.
Cool beans. The recipe says a half cup of grated cheese. This is a half cup and I just feel like we're gonna need more cheese.
Not enough.
So I'm gonna add the cheese in. Ooh, now it's thickening. Jeez, I am making a mess. Why am I like that? So yeah, that's what it's looking like. I just tried a little tortellini and it was really yummy. I kind of think I would like prefer having a little bit more of a lemony taste. So I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon on mine. I'll tell Justin he can do the same if he wants. Wow, Justin's adding more. He thinks that he's gonna like it.
I mean, I'm just pretty fucking hungry, but I am pretty sure I'm gonna like it too.
I really want
one thing, yeah, I would like some more veggies if we make this again.
Well, yeah, that was my fault.
So asparagus tips and some peas.
Well, or we could just buy more asparagus.
Or more asparagus.
I don't know what that was.
That was fucking scary.
You know what was terrifying is taking the...
Good.
It's good?
Yeah, it needs more lemon though.
Okay, yeah, well you can add more.
What do I do with this?
That was just for decoration.
Aesthetics.
Just decor. Yeah,
That's good. That's fire. Well done.
Good.
Compliments to the chef.
Thanks.
Chef's kiss. Damn, this shit is fire.
Yeah, I say more lemon too. Like, they didn't have me adding any lemon juice, just the lemon zest.
Next time it should be lemon. Well, lemon zest is more lemony than lemon juice.
They should have had me squirt the lemon.
Knowing us, it should have that lemon in there.
I'm adding like a whole half of the lemon. I gotta.
Because we like that tang.
Okay, well, this was really delicious. I'm gonna sit down and eat my bowl of it. So Justin and I just finished dinner and I did all the dishes. So the kitchen is all clean now. Put away all of our stuff. So that feels good. And yeah, that's it. I don't have anything else left to share. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with me while I used the Instapot for the first time and cooked like my first on my own dinner. I really did this like on my own. I asked for like a little bit of like help direction wise, but I basically did everything by myself, which was really cool and it came out really good. I'm very full. Both of us are very full. But yeah, that's it. Let me know down below if there's any other cooking style videos you guys want to see from me. I definitely want to continue doing more because one, it gives me something to do, and two, having it be filmed kind of motivates me to like do them more. So yeah, hopefully I can get a few good recipes in my arsenal and just be able to like share those with my family and stuff. But that is going to be it for me today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you aren't already subscribed, definitely go ahead and do so, and hopefully I see you next time.